You find my channel and it says there's editable links from Canva. Where do you even get that? Let me show you. I'm here to help. You're going to go to your Etsy account, and after you purchase it, go right here to your account and down to purchases and reviews. You'll see a list of purchases and you'll click download files. Once you do that, you will see this guy. Now it might show up huge. So somewhere on your page, you'll see a plus and a minus, and you'll say zoom out. And it makes it a little bit easier to see the whole thing. Click here to customize your new template. It'll take you to this page and it'll show you what you have. This is an editable presentation. View template, and hopefully you have an account. It's free. I'm going to log in really quickly to my free account. Hold on. And click Open in Editor. Okay, here it is. The first thing you need to do is go up here and change the name. You can just delete copy of, or however you want to name it. I highly recommend that you rename it because you'll forget later. Down here, everything is editable. This is yours. It won't change anything that's on my account. And so change whatever you want. If you'd like a tutorial on how to use Canva presentations, let me know. Write it in the comments. But that's how easy it is to get to your template and to edit it, or use it as is. These come ready to use.